Today's video is an unboxing and range review of Beretta APX-A1. This came with two 17-round magazines. It's got front serrations, optics ready, the high-vis front sight. Yeah, it's a little upgrade to the channel and to myself. Bought this used online. We're going to check it out. These are the first shots through here. We're going to test accuracy and reliability today, so let's see what happens. So for our target testing, we're going to use factory full metal jacket, and for mag dump at the end of the video, I have 5 rounds of the factory full metal jacket and 2 different selections of my own hand loads. We're going to mix this together in the magazine and see what happens. So my final thoughts, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I like the gun a lot. It is well made, good materials, it feels great in the hand, it's accurate and easy to shoot. It also has a low recoil impulse, which makes staying on target pretty easy. I can't think of anything bad to say about it. It's a great gun, it feels good, and it shoots straight. Any questions or suggestions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Thank you for watching.